Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn the easiest way to create an animated progress bar in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just choose a template that you want to use onto canva.com to get redirected here onto the editing page. Now right after, the next thing that you need to do is to head here onto elements and on elements onto its search bar, just try to search for box line. So you should be able to see or find something like this. Click onto that one since this is what we're going to use for our progress bar. So just make this one bigger and then right after, just choose in a shape. So for example, this one, and then right after, let's go ahead and make this one smaller until it fits the screen. So you could make this one bigger as well so that it could fit the whole progress bar that we have in here just like that. So just position it just like this, and you could also change the color for that so that it would be really visible. So for example, we'll use this one, color pink. So we're gonna move this one here onto the last part. Now right after, you'll just have to click onto animate for this one and click onto create animation. So we'll just have to click onto the element in here and drag it onto the canvas to go ahead and create the animation. So we're just gonna swipe this up until here. Now to create straight line, there is a tip in here to hold shift while dragging to straighten it. So let's hold that one and then let's drag this one here. So as you can see, we have created the progress bar just like that. Right after, we'll add in another element in here or another square. So we're gonna add this one in here so that it should cover the progress bar that we have. And then we'll change the color to white. And now if you do a quick preview, this is how it should look like. And that is just basically it, the easiest way to create an animated progress bar in Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.